Hey guys, it's Penguin2324, and I'm just gonna be doing, I'm on Mineplex right now, and I'm just gonna do a, speed battles with a few of my friends. Sir Penguin, which is me, the Derpcraft, and JethroDog240. And we are going to join this one right here. And we're in. So, this is Jethro. Yeah, his nickname is Jethro. Call him by Jethro. Okay. And, where's him? Where's the other guy? There he is. Him. He is right there. I was basically just, asking people if they want to do, I was just asking people if they wanted to, like, just play. And so, basically, we're just gonna do this. And, okay, so basically, you just have to copy the design. So it's 3, okay. I fell. There, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, boom. Oh crap. Boom and boom. There we go. GG. Okay, so we're going to be finishing up this, and then I think we're just gonna do this one quick game. I don't think we're going to be playing more than one round. Maybe we are. I don't know, depending on the time. So, the reason why I haven't been recording pretty much at all was because I didn't have anything to record with. My camera broke, and my laptop couldn't record anything because it was like one of those crappy laptops. So, that's why I wasn't recording. And yeah, that's basically the real reason. But it was just not fun. I went a really long time without recording at all, and it was kind of boring because like I didn't have anything to post anything, and I don't know, I just didn't like it how I didn't get to post anything for a long time. And yeah, so now we're doing this. And yeah, so the reason why I can actually post things now is because I got a laptop, a really nice one too, and it's just really fun. I just got it today actually, and yeah, so I doubt that, unless he's like some 17-year-old or older actually, but 73. Yeah, so Gary. So basically we're just gonna do this, and yeah. Let's focus on this. Oh crap. It's this. I think I messed up already. I'm assuming it's this. Yes. 3. Okay, I hope I'm getting this right. Crap. There we go. Hey, I did it right. Okay. Okay. So I got 100%, and basically how this game works is like people keep on getting eliminated, like to see like basically who's the last one, who can build the fastest and the most accurate. That's basically all it is. And yeah, so let me finish this. Boom, boom, boom. Then it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now that I got that done, we can hopefully go look at it. Oh, come on. Why not? I want to leave. I want to see if everyone gets this right. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more person has to get it right, to get everyone right. Someone's getting eliminated, and it is this is a really glitch that they need to fix, just saying. Because it puts you in game mode 3 once you're done with, like, the game. And you just basically fall through it. Okay, so it's 2, 2, 2, all the way across. Yellow, red, yeah, okay. And there was red next. Then black. No, stop it. There we go. Okay. So, one more person needs to get it right, which is Jethro Dog. And he got it right. So now, oh my gosh, I swear I hate this glitch. Oh. So it's 4, then 3 like that. Okay. I'm really gonna fail this one. I think. I really kind of already forgot. I think it's like this. And then 1, 2, 3. What did I get wrong? What did I get wrong? What is it? That's what everyone else did. What is it? Did I get it complete? What? Oh, okay, I was confused. It didn't say that I won or whatever, that I got it right. Oh, okay. 2 up. 2. And then here. Is it? Hopefully, I'm assuming. Hopefully it's this. Oh crap, what is it? It's, what is it? It's... No. What is it? No! What? Oh! I didn't see it. 96%, and I failed. Yep. 1 block. I didn't see it. Okay. Well, let's go watch these people. Okay. Wow. That was mean. And so, I think I'm gonna be posting either 2 times a week, 2 or 1 or 2 times a week. Probably 2 times a week because I haven't been posting for probably about 2 months. A long time, basically. So, about 2 videos a week. And I won't be just doing Minecraft. I'll probably be doing some Happy Wars. A few other games probably too. But like probably some simulators, maybe some of those. And yeah, so some simulators, maybe some Happy Wheels. Definitely Minecraft, as you can see now. And yeah. So after this, wanna play another round. Yeah, so after this, actually we're gonna play one more round really quick, okay? So let's go to the lobby. Lobby 20. And let's invite these guys. And him. Oh. Okay. He needs to teleport before I can invite him. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. So I want to do SG. Never mind. Okay, let's just go do build speed battles again. We'll save SG. Survival games for a different game. Okay, let's not just stand here, and let's be a... I love this guy. No. Okay, so this is gonna be the last round, and hopefully we can win, or at least come in the top 3. Oh crap. I hated this one so much last time I tried to do this. Okay. I think I got it. Three. Okay. Sorry for thinking out loud. I don't know if that's annoying to some people, but it just helps me be able to build, you know, think more. Okay. Come on, guys, you got this. Do it. Okay, this might be a little bit longer. I just feel like this is gonna be a longer, match. But, let's see. Oh, that guy's definitely gonna be out. He did not even come close. Yeah, he's out. GGG. Okay. So, Anvil. Okay. So this does not look hard. We're gonna probably do the base first and then the... Okay. And then we're gonna do this. Okay. Let's see if we can actually get this right, though. Yeah, okay, cool. So, this might... Okay. So, I want you guys to leave in the comments below, like, if I should do, like, different types of videos, like, tutorials, or, like, I don't even know, like, mod showcases, 1.9 command showcases, anything like that. Anything like that, or, any, like, I don't even know, just kind of, like, leave in the comments what you want to see from this channel, and I'll most likely do that, because, you know, just because this channel would be lucky. Crap, I messed up. Crap, I'm failing right now so hard. Crap, I think I'm done for. Done for. Burn here. Burn. It's like that or something? That? Oh, wow, I actually got it right. Okay, so, let's see who's going to be eliminated this time. I think... Ooh, I think Jethro is... Nope, oh, wait, who is this? Oh. They got the grass completely wrong. But, oh well, GG. Oh, gosh. Okay, I think I got this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then it's like bam, 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 and bam. I think it's this. Ugh. Gosh, dang, my arm is itchy. Okay. Come on. Oh, okay. Hopefully I did more than the other people did, so I don't get out. I mean, I think I did pretty decent. Missing 6, 7 blocks. GG, no. Okay, so armor. Oh, I've done this one before. This one is really easy, kind of fun actually. Okay. Hopefully I can actually finish it though. Get this. There we go. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Crap. Where's this? And then here. Oh, one block. One block. Oh no. Wait, what? Oh. I forgot about the that little hood thingy. I don't even know what you call it. Oh, Perry. It's 1, 2, 3. Oh gosh, I am not gonna be able to remember this. I'm definitely gonna fail this one. I'm definitely out on this one. I have no even clue what I'm doing. Crap. I think it's this? That? I don't know. I'm out. GG. I'm out. 66%. Oh my gosh, Jether Dog. If I could spell right. Okay. So it's red 3. Okay. I got this. And then it's boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Okay. 2, 3. Crap. No. Oh my gosh. GG, mate. Okay, well, I'm definitely out. 80%. Definitely out. Gwen the Guardian. You disappoint me. Wow, that looks really weird. Go inside a Guardian. What is this? Okay, guys, well, thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. Leave a like down below. Leave a comment, which really, all these things really help support the channel. And yeah, so we are leaving. Goodbye. Quap.